Thank you for joining in today. If you are new, don't forget to subscribe so you can get notifications on my weekly art lessons. And this time around, I decided to do one of the Sharpie challenges. And normally I don't do a lot of portraits. I usually do a lot of landscapes and just some abstract things and little, weird different drawings. But I don't do a whole lot of faces and portraits. So this was a little bit of a switch up for me as well. And especially, well, of course, the Sharpies are permanent ink there. So whatever you put down is going to stay down. And this came out a little bit almost like a weird 60s mod type of feel, like a little comic book there too with the black and the white. And I really did like how it turned out. And you just have to pay attention and make sure that you spread out your black evenly with the white. So you don't want, obviously, you don't want it bottom heavy or top heavy, too much in one area. You really have to work on your balance with working like a piece like this. And I know I have a little bit of blue and red on the side there, but I ended up not using them just because I decided not to use them. I really liked the black and the white. And like I said, a little bit of that cartoony illustrative look. And really exaggerated the false eyelashes there, and then the twinkle in the eye. A little bit of cross-hatching and shading. But I guess one of the points is that you can definitely use Sharpies for artwork. Just like I said, you have to be careful. Once you put it down, it's down. It'll stay down for good. And I actually found these Sharpies at my local dollar store. So I just wanted to say that too, that especially if you're a beginner just starting out, you definitely don't need to spend a whole lot of money on art supplies. You just have to look around and see what's available to you. You can definitely get a good deal. Just because you spend a whole lot of money on something doesn't really necessarily mean that it's a good product. So you always just have to try out a bunch of different things. Thank you so much for watching, and if there's something that you would like to see more of on my channel, leave a comment down below and some ideas.